Hey everyone, this is Jennifer with DP Addiction Adventures. And do you remember this Reaching 2300 video? I hope you do, because this is the winning video. We are going to pick the winner for this crafty mint, beautiful, forgive the box, but this beautiful diamond painting. So you're going to get the diamond painting, the drills, everything that goes with it, just because you are part of our community. So what I did is I asked you to go back when I made the video for reaching 2,300 subscribers. I asked you to put a comment down below as to, something that you loved. So let's see, if I go to comments, I believe I asked what your favorite DP painting was, and then the number that you were for viewing the video. So we are going back to details. I'm going to come over here and I'm going to copy the link. It's copied. And then we're going to go to YouTube Random Picker, guys. This is so fun. I don't know who helped invent this website, but I am so grateful because then I don't have to cut everybody's names out. So I'm gonna put that in there, and then I'm gonna filter duplicates and filter comments, and look, there's 82 individual comments. Now this is for the 2,300 subscribers. And guys, we are almost up to 2,400 subscribers. So that means another video will be coming out for 2,400 subscriber giveaway. So exciting, our family keeps growing. So are you guys ready to see who wins? So I'm gonna hit the start button. And our winner is Naine, and her favorite is Spirit Dreams by Home Fund, and she was view number 147. So Naine, if you are watching this video, you have 1 week to reach out to me at dpaddictionadventures@gmail.com. Go ahead and email me your name and your address, and then I will be asking you some information to make sure you are the exact winner so we don't have anybody trying to steal your painting, and then I will get it shipped out to you. So thank you for being part of our family, and please, if you haven't subscribed and you're watching this video, subscribe now so you can be a part of the next drawing, which will happen at 2,400 subscribers. So I love you all. Take care. Be blessed. Bye-bye.